Salon Queen. Happy Saturday. I wanted to do a quick video of some great upcoming deals for next week for CVS. They start on Sunday, September 15th, and they go through the following Saturday. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be up to date on all the deals, when they're happening, and what are the best stores for savings. So let's dive in. The first deal is going to be on soft soap. It is on sale, buy one, get one half off, as well as buy two, get a $3 extra back. So the deal is you're going to buy two. One is going to be full price at $5.19. The other one is going to be half off at $2.59. You're going to use two of the 75-cent off coupons that you can print from softsoap.com, so make sure you head over there. You may have to use two different browsers, but give that a shot. Then you're going to use a $2 off $6 body wash CRT from the Red Box if you get one. You're going to wind up paying $4.28 out of pocket. You're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So your final cost is just $1.28 for two, or 64 cents each. So that's a super hot deal on some body wash. The next deal is a candy deal. So it's great for Halloween. Halloween's coming, so you can stock up on some candy for the trick-or-treaters. These are for the snack size. For the Reese's or Kit Kat, they're on sale, two for $6. Plus, when you buy two, you're gonna get $1 extra back. So last week at the CRT, at the Red Box, we got a $2 off two CRT. I went ahead and waited. I'm going to use that for this week, so it winds up being a lot better deal. I also have $1 off $4 Reese's or Kit Kat CRT that I'm going to pair with this as well. So you're going to pay $3 out of pocket, get back $1 extra buck. It's going to be $2 for two, or just $1 each. So that is a very good deal. It is a limit of one, but it's great to start stocking up on getting some good size candies for when Halloween comes and all the trick-or-treating. The next deal is on the Colgate manual toothbrush. We also have a Colgate mouthwash deal that I'm going to get into a little bit later. So once you eat all this candy, gotta brush your teeth. This is a great toothbrush deal. They do have a charcoal toothbrush as well, which is super cool. I'm going to get that one this week because I really want to give it a shot. So the deal is buy one, get $1 extra back. You can also do this on the toothpaste, but I chose the toothbrush deal because we get free toothpaste week in and week out, and it's more rare to get a really good toothbrush deal. So the deal is you're going to buy one at $3.99. You're going to use a $2 off coupon that we're going to get in this Sunday's paper for September 15th. You're going to pay $1.99 out of pocket. Get back $1, so it'll be just 99 cents. The next deal is on Tide Simply Pods. They are on sale $2.94, and this is for the 13 count. You're going to use a $2 digital coupon, so make sure you clip that, send it to your card. You're going to pay just 94 cents for 13 pods. So that right there is awesome. You use maybe one or two pods depending on the size of your laundry load. That'll last you a good month or two. So that right there is awesome. The next deal is a paper deal. So it's on Bounty and Charmin. So good paper towel and toilet paper deal here. They are on sale. You're going to buy two and get a $2 extra back. So we're going to get one of each. They're both on sale for $4.99. So we're going to pick up one Bounty paper towel for $4.99, one Charmin toilet paper for $4.99. Now for the coupons, you're going to use $1 off Bounty digital coupon, $1 off Charmin digital coupon. Then we have an extra CVS coupon. So it says app only coupon for Bounty. It's another digital coupon, so make sure you clip that as well. You're going to pay $6.98 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra buck. So it's going to wind up being $4.98 for two, or just $2.49 each. So that's a really good deal for paper products. So if you're in need of some toilet paper or paper towels, make sure you take advantage of this deal. So there's some pretty good deals this week. The rest of the deals in the haul that I do tomorrow, I will be posting on Sunday as usual. Gonna wait until I get the rest of my CRTs, see what I'm gonna be able to use for some great deals next week. There is another P&G deal, spend $30, get $10 in extra care bucks. There's quite a few different products available this week, so that's gonna be a really hot deal. Suavitel is included, Fabuloso. They have the original Tide liquid and Tide pods. So stay tuned for that. I'll make sure I put a few scenarios in my printable breakdown as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.